In this video, we bring you the operation steps of the 12 to 15 series Diagnostic Battery Repair FPC. Prepare the 12 to 15 series Diagnostic Battery Repair FPC, a battery that cannot run diagnostics, and the battery repair adapter. Before attaching the battery repair FPC, the battery is shown as an unknown part. Attach the battery repair FPC to the battery. Attach the battery onto the battery repair adapter. Then activate the battery repair FPC. Tap Activate. Select the iOS system and confirm. After successful activation, modify the data. After data modification is completed, install the battery into the phone. Tap Settings, General, About, Parts and Service History. You can see the diagnostic window. Before diagnostics, connect the phone to a network. Start running diagnostics. Operate according to the steps. After verifying the battery as genuine, continue running diagnostics. Restart the phone after diagnostics are completed. Diagnostics completed, the battery has been repaired.